Hey, this is Shopperhill Reviews. We are here to find the best deals from the bestseller.
20 liters intelligent household humidifier, automatic defrost air dryer. With humidistat, 120 volt of alternative current is sent to the compressor and the fan motor. Dehumidification in the room, enjoy the quality of life. Smart size to fit anywhere in the room. Dry your clothes, like the sun, enjoy the dry and comfortable life. Dehumidification 16% to 90%. Digital type control method. One machine to solve all your problems. Stay away from humidity, stay away from harm. Shopperhill tried the best level to ensure the product quality with guaranteed delivery.
Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.